Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to reset your Bluehost email password. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to bluehost.titan.email. After this, fill in your Bluehost email address. In my case, it's this email address, no reply at benstutorial.com. Click on next. And here, instead of filling a password, click on forgot password. Tell us your email address. Enter the email address you are attempting to access. Here, fill in the same other email address that you've just, or your Bluehost email address that you forgot its password. It's the same one I've just filled it just a second before. Click on next. Here, they send a message to your alternate email ID. This email address, if you don't remember it, it's the email address you entered or you gave to Bluehost while creating your Bluehost email account. They call it, or while creating your Bluehost email account, it was called a password recovery email address. So just access this email inbox, and this is the message I received. It is from Titan, reset your password. We received a request to reset the password for your Titan account. Yes, this is my Bluehost email address. If you requested this change, please click the button below within 24 hours to set a new password. Reset your password. And now fill in your new Bluehost email password. Now click on set password. Congrats, password successfully changed. Click on login. Now fill in your Bluehost email address. Click on next and fill in the password you've just created. Confirm password recovery email. This is the email address I've just talked about in a minute. Here you can even, I'll do it later. And this is how to reset your Bluehost email password. If you don't have access to your password recovery email address and you have access to your Bluehost account, go log into your Bluehost account. You will land first on this page, then go to email. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Scroll down a little bit and you will see email accounts. Click on it. Here you will see the available email accounts on this Bluehost account. And next to the Bluehost, next to the Bluehost email account you want to reset the password for, click on these three dots and select reset password. Here fill in the email address to receive a reset password link. Here now instead of filling the exact password recovery email address, you can fill in any email address. It will work. This is the email address. Click on send reset password link. Email with login info sent successfully to the email address you've just entered. Click on OK. And almost instantly I received this email message which says, hello, your email admin for this domain has sent you this mail to set your password. Click below to set your password for this email address. Click on set your password and you will land on the same page. Fill in your new password 2 times and click on set password. And this says how to reset your Bluehost email password almost easily. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.